Let's draw a moose for Canada Day. All you need is some paper, a black Sharpie, a pencil and eraser, and whatever you want to color with. I actually used watercolor paints, but you can use markers as well. Let's start by drawing our moose. Let's find the center of our page. And just above there, and just a little bit over, we're going to do a little curve like that. And now we're going to go down a little bit like that. So you kind of have a sort of candy cane. Now we're going to do like a big nose or a big front part like so. All right, so we have up and over curve and a big nose. You can make that into a smile if you want. Then you can just add a little neck here. Great, super cute. Let's add some ears. So the ears are on the sides of the head. So you kind of add like a leaf on the side of the head. Make sure they're the same size. Cute. You can do some eyes. So sort of here and here. You can do any kind of eyes you want. I'm just keeping them simple. Some eyebrows. Great. So let's do the rest of the body. So you can just kind of do a bit of a shoulder and come down. And then this is going to be an arm here. So now on the other side, you can make your moose holding anything you want really. So I just did a curve and a sleeve and come back. And then this can come out like that. And so your moose can be holding anything you want. Just do sort of a thumb there. And then we're going to do like a 3 like that. So it kind of looks like his hand. Okay, and then mine's going to be holding a Canada flag because this is being filmed for Canada Day. But you can do any flag you want. If it's if you're in the United States, you could do the 4th of July. So you could do an American flag. He could be holding a drink, anything you want. So there for the Canada flag, so I did a flag pole, so a rectangle with a little round thing on the top. I did a curve, kind of curve, or you can just do a rectangle there. And then I did 2 lines. So now we're going to do this maple leaf. So I'm going to show you how to draw a maple leaf. So you start with a triangle, and then you do 2 little triangles angled in. Then you do the same thing on the other side. Little triangle, big, little, in. Little triangle, big one, little, in. And then you do the stem. So now you have a maple leaf. And then we're just going to add a little bit of red on either side to make it look like the flag. Oh, well done. You did it. Okay, now we're going to make our antlers. So up here, this is like the most important part. You're going to do little lines going this way. And then it's kind of like you're doing a W. You go like a written W, or you can think of it as like 3 bumps, but this one is bigger and rounder. So we're going to do a bump, down, then a hill up, valley down, and then another bump. And make this one big, and then join it to here. Great. Okay, so the other side, we're going to do the same thing. we're going to go up to do a mountain, down to do a valley, up to do a mountain, down to do a valley, and remember this one is bigger. And then you add it to there. Okay, if that was a little challenging, then practice it on another piece of paper. But really, you're just doing mountains and valleys. Mountains and valleys. And this looks like a W. You can almost just draw a W. And then add the bump around. Love it, love it. He's super cute. Okay, he needs nostrils, so 2 nostrils. And I'm gonna divide the neck with the t-shirt. And now you can figure out whatever you want to put on your t-shirt. You could just do another flag there. You could do a little saying, anything you want. There's a character you like. I did stripes because I like stripes. So I'm doing stripes across like so. Okay, so there's one stripe. And then I'm going to do another one. Make it come over here too. Great. And then, so there's one. I'm going to go red, white, and red. There we go. Okay. So now you've learned how to draw a moose. So now I'm going to get busy to outline my moose with markers. So I've outlined my moose, and now you can color your moose any way you want. I did red and white stripes for Canada Day. And I made my moose brown, but of course your moose can be any color you want. And for the antlers, with the watercolors, I mixed yellow with a little bit of brown together to get this sort of mustardy color. So I can't wait to see your moose creations for Canada Day.